They're fitting our environment into us and us into our environment. But what's happening with our agricultural systems is that we've created biological blocks within the way we process the food, the way we till the soil, the way we add fertilizers. We've taken the prokaryotes in some places out of the equation. And what's happened from this is that the current DNA that's constantly being churned by this prokaryote world to fit every aspect of us is starting to get stale and not fit the environment correctly. And as it does this, we have to kill off more and more of the prokaryotic world to fit in, because we are no longer being protected by a lot of these elements that we have started to destroy. We're getting our fertilizers and we're supplanting the microbial action within the plants, and then we have to use pesticides to make sure the outer communities, the decay cycle, doesn't come and kill our plants because they no longer really fit into the world that well. And then the food that we eat off this no longer fits the world is incorporated within our systems and in with the cows and the chickens and the pigs that we eat. And this entire system begins to get degenerated because it begins to become alienated from the world, because that prokaryotic association that it needs so bad for that constant fitting has been diminished. And that's why in my garden, I'm trying to create a robust prokaryotic interaction with the plants through active humus and earthworms. If you look into my soil, there's all sorts of life that you can visibly see, but all sorts of life you can't see that is churning the soil and constantly recreating the carbon chains of the matter that are going to be fed into the plant and reacted with the carbon the plant brings from the sun. This whole interaction will create a vibrant life that is interacting with the prokaryotic environment, fitting itself so it has the health that we're looking for and gives us the health that we need from our food. And that's been absent generationally now. A lot of these conventional farming came in the 50s. So we're looking at 2 and 3 generations of alienation from our prokaryotic environments. We need to reassociate this. This is why we are getting sick. This is the nature of the autoimmune disorder epidemic that we are beginning to just start the early chapters. This is going to be a devastating chapter in our civilization as our immune systems go wrong. This is how you refit them, is with a prokaryotic association through living soils and living foods that come from them. Hey, anyway, thanks y'all.